8-pack unboxing. So doing this because we just had Christmas. I got D&D miniatures. And I'm going to just rip. Well, maybe I won't because I don't want the pieces to fly everywhere. So I'm going to take the tape. Hopefully. A lot more difficult than I was expecting. Okay. What do, oh, this is Icons of the Realms Monster Menagerie 2. So I don't know what the big difference between 1 and 2 is, but I'm assuming different monsters. Okay. So everything's inside this. We'll look at the big one in a minute because my eyes are not comprehending what that is. What is, ooh, what is this little guy? Is a tail. It is a kobold. Just never seen one quite like, I mean, not gonna show it very good on the camera, I'm sorry. But he's red, wearing like black armor and has, looks like an axe. It's pretty cool. So, don't need that. And we got a tall looking thing that does not look friendly. I think I've gotten this guy before. And I can't read what it is. But he's a gray dude wearing gold and has a really long tongue. Does not look friendly. I hate that I can't read most of these half the time. Don't know if it's my vision or just the way they write it on there. Ooh. Okay, this looks like some kind of hero. There's a sword that's unfortunately kind of bent. Try and very gently straighten that. I think it says human cleric. That's what it looks like. I think it helps when it's words I recognize, like this guy. I think it might say creeper, but ghast? Yeah, I can't tell. Pretty cool though. And then we got the big one. I don't know what he is, but he looks pretty awesome. Oh, he's an iron golem. Oh, check that dude out. That is awesome. That is so cool. I like it. It's gonna sound maybe selfish. I don't know if that's the right word. I wish this was the standard size for the small figures and that the big figures were even bigger. And the reason is so hard to paint these little small guys. If they were this big, I feel like I could do a much better job. But so that's one down, more to come. But until next time, Bye.